Erica McLean here. And if you're here for this video, you came to see another example of why you should think twice about selling to these companies we buy as is for cash. So let's dive into this property example. Okay, you can see here that the original owner sold for a fair cash offer, like they always say, to this company for $315,000. This is the listing description from the MLS when they listed it. So it looks like they did do some updates because it states updated ranch in Arlington Heights. It's a must-see kitchen with new white soft closing cabinets and drawers, quartz countertops, and all new stainless steel appliances. Beautifully refinished hardwood floors, carpet, and popular LVT flooring, and freshly painted throughout. New HVAC, an updated bath, master suite with full master bath, full finished basement with additional bedroom, 2-car attached garage. So basically, they put in a new kitchen, they painted, they refinished the hardwood floors, put in a new HVAC. So they did spend some money on this one. Okay, this is the first one that I've come across so far that it looks like they spent money with the new HVAC, brand new cabinets. On other properties, they were just putting in countertops, this LVT flooring, and painting. So this one, they spent a little more, but I think they were expecting a bigger return. So let me show you what happened. Okay, so you can see here, they had several price reductions, 8 of them to be exact. They originally listed for $489,900. They went under contract twice and something happened and they were back on the market. So it was either a home inspection issue, or something, buyer getting cold feet. I don't think they thought they would have to do 8 price reductions and be on the market for as long as they were. Okay, so here we see the kitchen, the new stainless steel appliances, the new cabinets, the new counter, probably new sink and faucet, and this LVT floor. Okay, here we're seeing what I assume to be the living room, LTV flooring, original windows. They put down flooring and they painted. Okay, here's one of the bathrooms, maybe the master bath. They possibly put in a new countertop, and painted, but based on the mirror and vanity lights, that's outdated, so not too much updating done here. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms with the refinished hardwood floors. They painted, and that's about it. Windows look original to me. Okay, here's the finished basement. I don't believe anything was done. I'm sure this paneling and this drop ceiling was already there, but it looks like they put new carpet down, and that's it. Okay, here's another bathroom. It appears this one, based on the window well, is located in the basement. Doesn't look like they did a thing. They didn't even paint because it's not their typical paint color. You can see when they paint, it's always that beigey cream. Okay, it looks like this is the dining room off of the new kitchen that they put in. So they painted and put in this LVT flooring. Okay, here's a few things to keep in mind with this one, because it took them almost a year to list the property because they were doing work to it. I don't see how it takes a year to do what they did, but maybe they were busy. Then they had it on the market for almost a full year before they sold it, going under contract 2 times, with those contracts both falling through, having 8 price reductions, and a year later, it finally sold. So let's take a look at what it sold for. Okay, remember, they originally listed it for $489,900. They had 8 price reductions, two contracts that fell through. When they finally had it reduced to $439,000, it sold for $425,000 and just over 360 days on the market. So they were on the market for almost a full year, and it took them almost a full year after purchasing to list it. So I don't know, maybe with all this time and everything, they didn't make so much as they thought they were gonna. So I think with this property, this we buy as is for cash, definitely didn't make as much as they thought they were going to. They did make a profit of $110,000 more than what they paid for it, but they were hoping with the original listing price of $489,000 to make more of $175,000 because of the work they put in. So even though they didn't make as much, and who knows, with keeping it on the market all this time, maybe they just broke even. But I still believe, had the original owner spoke to some realtors and found out what the fair market value was in as-is condition without doing anything, they could have sold for a lot more than the $315,000 that this cash offer they accepted came in at. So I hope you found this information useful. Please, if you're thinking about selling to one of these as-is companies, or you know anybody that is, please have them at least contact a few realtors so they know what the true fair market value is in as-is condition. I hate to see sellers lose money, but I hope you found this information useful. So like, subscribe, I would be grateful. And thank you for taking the time to watch it, and hope to see you in another video. But otherwise, I'll say bye for now.